Best Sound, Best Original Musical Score, Best Production Design, Best Editing, and Best Cinematography. And we also request all alumni filmmakers from year 1 to year 20 to please stay. Again, we would like to ask all our Cinemalaya winners and our Cinemalaya filmmakers from year 1 to year 20 to please stay behind for official photographs on stage. We would like to call to stage the winners of all technical awards: Best Sound, Best Original Musical Score, Best Production Design, Best Editing, and Best Cinematography.
Picture pa po.
Once again, we would like to ask all of our Cinemalaya winners and all alumni filmmakers to please stay behind for official photographs on stage. We would like to call to the stage the winners of all technical awards: Best Sound, Best Original Musical Score, Best Production Design, Best Editing, and Best Cinematography.
After na lang.
Ayan! Congrats! Long!
We would like to call on stage the winners of the technical awards: Best Sound, Best Original Musical Score, Best Production Design.
Sir, kung yung reaction na nanalo kong Best Actress ng Mrs. si Maria.
Super proud, of course. Grabe.
Birthday niya bukas.
Birthday gift po.
Laging supportive kay Marian sa lahat.
And, I think isa sa mga pinaka-memorable roles niya. Nagkapanan si teacher eh. So, nakakatawa na ganun yung naging recognition ng buong festival. So, something that we will never forget.
Indeed. How about you po? May chance mo ba na maka-join din po kayo sa Cinemalaya?
Oh, I wish. Yes, of course. Sana may pagkakataon.
You're doing a movie po with Miss Charo po. This year po may papalabas?
Not sure yet. Yeah, the film is done. Parang final edits na lang. Yeah.
Hopefully makasama sa Simon FM.
Hindi siguro ba?
Next year. Congrats po.
Congrats po. Thank you po.
Sino si?
Everyone done? The next set of winners, may I call on stage our special jury prize winners for the short and full length, for the best film, shorts and full length. Please, may I call on stage all the winners to have a photo with our jury members and organizing committee members. Okay, winners of the special jury, both shorts and full length, for the best director shorts and full length, for the best film shorts and full length. Everyone, focus, camera, ready, 1, 2, 3, please. then again, all the winners, they're still here. Please come forward to join everyone on stage, all the winners. And after this, we would like to request all our alumni who are here.
So ayun naman yung sa point of artistry, di ba? Magkaroon ka ng platform para magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin. At
All the winners, everyone on
gawin.
stage.
And,
Again,
so happy.
ready
na nakuha
cameras.
niya
1,
ang,
2,
hindi lang ang best
3.
actress, kundi mga puso natin. Di ba? Sa pagganap
Please,
kay Teacher
please.
N.
Oh,
Alright,
grabe,
is
may
everyone on
balanghay-
stage?
May balanghay na.
Closer.
Sa inyong
Make it more
collection ng
compact.
awards. I think, ano, yan,
So it
no?
can go into
Feeling
the
ko ito
newspapers.
yung pinaka-paborito mo. No. Of all the awards, I think this is very meaningful and talagang
Meaningful siya to the
significant
point na
din.
yun yung sinabi ko din na parang, ay, sorry, tinatawag daw po.
Sorry.
Thank you. Now may I request all the alumni to please join us on stage. All the alumni. No squeezing. Alumni.
Sir, pababa lang po ng mga kamay. Pababa lang po ng mga kamay. Official, sabi na. Ready? Okay. Next camera, here. Next camera. We're good.
I would like to thank all.
Pelikulang Balota, sa harap at likod ng camera yung mga nakasama ko doon. Sabi ko talaga, ito yata yung sa loob ng ilang years na ako in showbiz, ngayon ko naramdaman yung fulfillment sa sarili ko at sa trabaho ko.
Yung Balota po ba, new era na for Marian?
Yee! Tingnan natin. Susunod ba? Ano ba yung mga nasa alapa-apa ko ngayon? Oh.
What are you planning to do in peace?
Why not? Why not? Kung may magandang kwento, may magandang kailangan gawin, why not?
Okay. Gabby, sharing the award with Marian, Best Actress, congrats.
Thank you po.
Your thoughts?
Hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala. Masaya po ako na nanalo si Ate Marian kasi napanood ko siya sa Balota at deserve na deserve niya